L10 meeting, the L is not for leadership. It's called a level 10. And the reason for that, according to what I understand, is because when you do a meeting, you want to make sure that that time is well spent. Every manufacturing leader out there, their time is limited. You don't have time for meetings. We're not the business, there's a lot of other businesses where they just spend so much time in meetings. That's not manufacturing. Manufacturing is about doing. So what they want to say is if you're going to spend this time in a meeting, it better be a 10 out of 10 meeting.
Because we rate the meetings at the end.
Because you rate the meetings.
Yeah, that's how the meeting ends.
Right.
You go through person by person. You got to rate it 1 to 10, and they call it a level 10 meeting because if you do it right, you'll get a 10.
Right. I've been in very few meetings where they've been 10.
I agree. And if people are being honest, it's probably. I mean, we've had some MakingChips meetings where it's been 10s, but like we don't get 10s in Zenger's meetings all the time either.
No way.
Yeah,
no way. So, does everybody attend your meetings? Do you have how often is all your leadership team in those meetings?
Well, we always expected everybody to be there. Yeah,
I know, but do people just not show up?
No.
Do they not take accountability to it? No. Are they on vacation? Are they busy?
If they're on vacation, they're
excused. Did they schedule another appointment?
Right.
We don't allow that.
Okay.
If they're on vacation, they're not working, so they can't be at a meeting. But for us, like if you're there, if you're present, healthy, you need to be at the meeting.
Okay.
The hard part for me and some of our guys, like the BDLs I described, our BDLs are on the road all the time doing what I said, like looking for that next opportunity. So I'm on the road like 30% of the year. So there's many.
So you're
of
the
these,
guy that's breaking the rules.
Well, no, I'm like trying to call in when I can. But I miss them.
According to EOS, you should be. Yeah, pure EOS. You should be scheduling your time around those meetings. So like if you're out there seeing customers, you should be scheduling your time such that you could take a break for the level 10
And that's
meeting.
why I can't run pure EOS. I can't
it's not practical.
Be like, hey,
and so that's
change your schedule, customers, so that I can do this meeting.
And so that's why like here at MakingChips, when we run a level 10 meeting, which we're running, car level 10s, Zenger level 10s, Black level 10s, AME level 10s, Hennig level 10s. I mean, we're all running lots of level 10 meetings.
We are.
But here at MakingChips, when Nick is traveling, we just tell you like those weeks you're traveling, just change the calendar invite and we'll run it at a different time that day so that we can have you involved.
And we've done that a lot. Yeah.
So it's no biggie. But you're supposed to, if you say it's at 8:30 a.m. on Thursdays every day, you're supposed to keep that. But like that's not necessarily practical.
Right. I tell you, the more regimented that you stay to that schedule, the better. The better it is.
Totally agree.
I could not agree. Yeah. So anyway, let's talk about the structure of an L10. So the first thing you do is say something.
Good news.
And it's just like a positive kickoff to the.
Kind of like how we start our show.
So Nick and I share the gospel every.
There you go. No, but it could be something good that happened in work. It could be, hey, I had my son's 2-year birthday party, and we had a great time.
The objective in sharing good news is twofold. So you want to. I think the most important, but I like the sharing of the personal.
Do you think that's the most
best.
important thing to do at the beginning of a?
Oh, absolutely. I think it sets the tone for having a positive meeting. So like a lot of people think when you go to a meeting, it's just going to be everybody complaining. So you want to start off on a positive tone, and you want everybody to just be more upbeat when you get started. And then secondly, I like when you share personal good news because it just allows everybody during that meeting to get to know everybody a little bit better on a personal level. Let them know what's important to you. Like for Nick, he's saying, it's important to him. I always share stuff about my kids too. His kids are very important to him.
Right.
And so I think that that's one of the best things about it. And then as it relates to work, it also shows, your priorities as far as what's important. Like we do this at the dinner table too. I mean, we have like 4 questions we go through every dinner.
He runs dinner with an L10
I do.
format.
No. We don't, not an L10 format.
Follow the format, Billy.
No, but we do have, it's kind of funny. So we do have a format to our family dinners. So like we share what was the what was the best part of your day? Or no, I'm sorry. What was your favorite part of the day? What was your least favorite part of the day? What are you thankful to? What are you thankful for? And to whom are you thankful to for that?
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That's our 4 questions. Everybody goes around the room and shares that. And the reason we do that is for those same reasons that I want to know what's important to my 7-year-old and my 3-year-old and my 14-year-old.
You know what? That's cool. I was making fun of you, but now I feel bad for it because that's a really cool thing.
That's okay.